Krishna, dear devotees. Today, Radha Raman Stories channel is going to give a very brief introduction of Sri Mayapur Dham. Sri Mayapur Dham has unlimited glories, and it is impossible to describe Sri Mayapur Dham in one lifetime. But we are going to try to give a very short and brief introduction of Sri Dham Mayapur. Sri Dham Mayapur, the appearance place of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, situated in Antardweep within the greater region of Navadweep. Mayapur is located on the east bank of the Ganga. Navadweep forms an 8-petaled lotus. In the whorl of this lotus lies Antardweep, at the very center of which is Mayapur. The actual appearance place of Sri Chaitanya is situated within Mayapur and is known as Yoga Pitha, the seat of the Lord's eternal transcendental pastimes. Mayapur is said to be non-different from Sri Dham Vrindavan, and even it is a Dham Aprad to consider both the Dhams to be different. Mayapur is located in Rar. It is situated between the Jalangi and Hooghly rivers. It is situated around 130 km from Kolkata, and it is well connected with the rail networks and roads from there. It is a holy city and has a number of different sites that are of cultural and religious importance, such as the Yoga Pitha. In 1893, Bhakti Vinod Thakur established Yoga Pitha as the actual site of Lord Chaitanya's appearance. He personally collected the funds to purchase this land and build a small temple here. This was completed in 1906, at which time he also installed the deities of Gaura Narayan and his two wives Lakshmi Priya and Vishnu Priya. Bhakti Vinod Thakur's son and spiritual successor Bhakti Siddhant Saraswati Thakur built the present temple in 1934. It was inaugurated on Gaura Purnima Day in 1953, at which time Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur installed the remaining deities on the left and right altars. 10 meters south from the appearance place, directly behind the mud hut, is a small temple with two Shiva Lingas. The smaller one on the left is Gopishwar Shiva, who admits one to the Lord's service. The larger one on the right is Kshetrapal Shiva, who is the protector of the Dham. It is recommended that the devotees pray to these deities at the beginning of their parikrama, or if they stay in Mayapur, that the Dham and Gaura Prem be revealed within their hearts. Devotees will be able to see a tree in Yoga Pit. The tree is where Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was born under. Sri Mayapur Dham is very dear to the Lord Shyam Sundar because the creator of this forest is Swayam Srimati Radharani. Hence, we should pay our obeisances unto this holy place and always make endeavors to be devoted to the protection of this place and its heritage. Hare Krishna.